Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. It is a beautiful spring day. I would say it's the warmest day of the year so far. It is like plus 10 degrees or plus 11 even. Clear blue sky, and today we are at Gullmarsplan. It's been a long time ago I've been here. I kind of did one walk here in the beginning of my channel, but it's been a while and I'm kind of laughing. I was laughing before these videos started because when I look over there in the corner I see not one but two sushi places literally next to each other. You check this out. Quite funny. Here we got Sushi Nico, and then we've got Sushi Yama. Quite funny. Yes, so it is around 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and you're probably thinking, is this the show with Olof? No, not yet. I am recording my walk with Olof tomorrow, Monday, but I pre-recorded this on Sunday because I did not want to stress while I have a guest on the show. So yes, the walk with Olof is tomorrow. It's actually the day after tomorrow while I record this, but you get my point. It's on Tuesday. So let's explore the area a little bit. Let's go completely random here because I'm not familiar here with Gullmarsplan at all. Oh, this looks like things on Drottninggatan actually. Not a lion, but more like a puma maybe. Maybe that's the right word, puma. Okay, let's go that way. Quite a few shops here on the square. What we got here, it's some kind of hamburger place. We got a kebab place on the other side. Some flowers. This is also quite the traffic hub here at Gullmarsplan actually. There's a lot of traffic here always. And let's go that way. It's a nice building there. I think that way is Hammarby Sjöstad, if I don't say anything stupid here. Yeah, I think so. So here we've got the station. Gullmarsplan is quite a busy station actually. I would say one of the more busy ones here of the city. So Gullmarsplan is part of an area called Johanneshov, which is kind of Gullmarsplan and Globen and Slakthusområdet together here. So it's kind of just outside of Suburban. That's the best way of describing it. So we just walk passing the station now. And let's walk around it because I don't think I've been on the other side yet. So here we've got the big roundabout with lots of traffic, and you can kind of see Södermalm like over there. You can see Skanstull, and then yeah. So where am I going? Yeah, let's cross the street here. So this is Nynäsvägen and Johanneshovsmotet, and here we're kind of walking over the highway, and you can see over there, you can see Globen, or the Avicii Arena as it's called nowadays. I can still not get used to that, but anyway, so good. I mean, I have nothing against Avicii, it's just that I always forget it's called like that. A nice view here on the globe. And let's go into this area here on the left side. I see a park, I see, yeah, what do I see? Some typical Stockholm suburb flat. Okay, let's cross here. It's not really a crossing, but I want to go to the park over there. Yeah, let's do that. So what is this called? Olaus Magnus Väg. Okay, okay. Nice. Looks quite spacious here. You can see slowly some small flowers popping up everywhere in the grass. It's quite nice. I don't know the name of those little purple and white flowers that you see always in the early spring. It's like a sign of like, all right, now spring is starting. I don't know, even know the name of these in Dutch or in English or in Swedish, but it doesn't matter. Walk around here because it's a bit icy. Yeah, I'm not familiar at all here. To be honest, I'm not even really sure what this is called. This is like an area where they do a lot of construction and like industrial. Let's have a look on the sign there. Oh yeah, this is one of those areas where you can walk your dog. So probably so you don't have to pick up the poo. Because normally you should pick up your poo when you're walking a dog in like a public park. One of those paper bags. Well, a lot of people don't actually do it, but yeah, you're supposed to do it. So yeah, so this is actually the way to Hammarby. Oh nice, I like the mural over there. Cool. So yeah, Hammarby 1 kilometer, Nacka 6 kilometers, Björkhagen, Hammarby, yeah. You can go everywhere here. But let's go straight ahead a little bit and then maybe a bit to the right over there. And kind of circle around. Up and green. Yes, I've never really walked to Hammarby from this side, so usually I go like over there along the water. See, this is like a big construction site. I don't really want to go too far into Hammarby, so I'm gonna kind of cross the road there and see what's in that neighborhood over there. Because that's new to me as well. I'm actually a bit sweaty, as I said the other day. Like I'm still wearing my winter jacket, but I have to get rid of it. This is getting too warm. But it's always a bit tricky, like in Stockholm in the spring, because it could also be -3 degrees like next week, so you got to be careful. And also you have this thing where it can get really cold like during the morning, let's say up to 11, 12, and then after the sun comes out and it becomes like, you know, warm. So, and it can be 10 or even 15 degrees difference between night and day temperature. Oh cool, yes, this is the Stockholm skate park here. Now I remember, I've been here before, yes, because here is Fryshuset also. See, cool, Stockholm skate park. And And this is together with Fryshuset, which has a lot of activity. How shall I explain this? It's like a school, but it's like focused on sports. So it's for the kids, they're really into sports and things like that. Yeah, they can go here. So you, for example, you go to school, like high school, whatever, but you choose like skateboarding or basketball or whatever you want to do. That's cool, I think. Oh, let's go over here to the other side. And let's go up that hill and then into the neighborhood. Look at the rock. Typical Swedish rocks there. Oh, he was honking to me. I don't know if I know that person, or he was like, hi, or he meant like, fuck off, with, oh sorry, shouldn't swear, F off with your camera. Oops, did I just say the F word? Sorry folks, sorry. I'm trying not to swear, but doesn't always work apparently. Oh, I like this building. Looks cool. Alright, let's go up here. Let's go up the hill. It's always a bit hard to do 2 walks in one day, so I kind of feel it today. But yeah, just keep on going. It's not just actual walks. When I do 2 walks, I also have to go like in between the walks. So I walk a lot in between the walking, if that makes any sense. Let's go up here. Some new apartments. Oh, nice. The local kids made a little hut. Well, I guess it's the local kids. Can also be some homeless guy or something. All right, where am I? That's the question. Maybe I can go here. Whew. Really exploring Gullmarsplan here. Or Johanneshov, I better say. Look at the difference in height there. It's quite far down. Yeah, people, start a walking channel so you never have to go to a gym in your life. That's the trick. Cool rocks. Nice neighborhood, I like it. But yeah, as I said before, on a beautiful spring day with the sun's out, everything looks wonderful. Oh, you kind of see Globen appearing here from behind the houses. That looks so cool, check that out. Oh, I should take a picture of that. These people that live here, they see Globen from their window.